Some of you may have experienced issues on Windows 10 recently. If you did not accept the extended security updates offer and are now running a fully unsupported version after end of support, you might be seeing problems that other users are not. For example, users who are enrolled in the extended updates continue to receive updates normally, and everything appears to be working fine. However, if you are not enrolled, not only are you no longer receiving updates, but the pause updates for 7 days option is now grayed out. To make matters worse, some users are reporting repeated Windows 11 installation attempts. These updates try to install, fail, and then return again and again, sometimes along with other updates. Because the pause option is disabled, there is no way to stop this process, leaving users stuck in a frustrating update loop. Microsoft says this is not intentional. According to them, once Windows 10 reaches end of support, there is a limited number of times the pause updates for 7 days feature can be used. When that limit is reached, the option becomes unavailable and appears grayed out. Whether you agree with that explanation or not, this situation is clearly annoying for some users, though not everyone. If you are currently on Windows 10 without official support, using ZeroPatch, or running any other configuration, and you are experiencing similar issues, especially if your pause updates option is grayed out, please let us know in the comments below. It will be interesting to see who is affected and who is not. If you are using ZeroPatch and did not accept the extended security updates for Windows 10, are you seeing these problems? Or is everything working normally? Share your experience in the comments. And I will see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.